What's up, everybody? We just got firewood delivery today. So Chris is stashing everything underneath the concrete area. How long did we use the last batch? Like 8 months? Yeah, something like 8 months was the last batch. This is a smaller batch. We bought 200 pesos this time. The last one was 300 pesos. I'm not helping too much. I did help carry everything to the back, but Chris is taking care of all the stacking because I've got a bum finger right now. But all our cats are like, what's going on here? What are we exploring? But we do a lot of outdoor cooking, so we use quite a bit of firewood. Probably cook out here once a week, twice a week. Like, twice a week we cook out here. You've seen lots of videos. We do lots of videos on top of that campfire. We've been talking about getting a really cool outdoor coffee percolator because Chris wants to take some really pretty pictures, and we've been talking about putting a campfire back there in the back too, maybe. I don't know. Anyway, firewood delivery day. That's an update, everybody. Catch you on the flip side.